Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders just released their Christmas kit. This is called Santa Lane. Now this kit is not part of any of their subscriptions. It's available individually for purchase. And I do have links provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit. And this kit is jam-packed full with products. Just look at everything that's in this box. So let me go ahead and do an unboxing so you can see everything that's included. There's the information sheet that has the list of contents, and it also has a couple sample cards, and on the back there's a tutorial showing how to use the dies that are included in the kit. There's a full pack of cardstock, 18 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch paper, and you can also purchase the cardstock individually. So if you want a lot of cardstock, that's a great way to do it. I'll show you all the beautiful colors. We have light green, light blue, dark green. There are two reds. There's more of a burgundy color, a nice bright orange, light pink, a little darker pink. We have brown, black, two sheets of white. We have our specialty mirror cardstock, 2 gold and 2 silver. So lots and lots of cardstock in this kit. And I will put the shiny paper underneath the white so I don't blind you with my overhead lights. Next we have the pattern paper. This is 6 by 6 inches in size. There are 40 sheets, 2 of each design. Several of the patterns do have that gold foil finish. So I'll flip through these quickly so you can see all the beautiful patterns that are included. This paper collection has lots of traditional Christmas colors, greens and reds. We do have that gold foil finish and then the beautiful black to add some nice contrast. And I love the variety of designs. There are several with beautiful floral patterns. We have lots of polka dots, stripes, gingham. Couple of the papers have sentiments all over them. There's even a wood grain. I think this will be a really fun collection for making Christmas cards. Just a couple more. There's that green wood grain and then a final gray and white with lots of sentiments on it. Spellbinders always does a really good job with their paper collections. Next up we have not one but 2 die cut packs. One of them is the shapes and the other is all sentiments. And at the end of this video, I will lay all of those out so you can see everything that's included. The kit includes 25 card bases and 25 envelopes, but this time there's 2 different sizes. So we have the 5 by 7 size for the card bases and the envelopes, and you'll get 12 of those. And there are 13 of the A2 size cards and envelopes. If you don't make the 5 by 7 cards, you can always use that cardstock for the background of your cards or sentiments. I do that all the time. It does have a nice linen finish on it. The next item is the stamp set. Lots of great Christmas sentiments, a few different images. We have some snowflakes, a bow, some stars, and also a sweet little deer. There's a sheet of beautiful and sparkly gem stickers, 4 different colors in 3 different sizes. There's a sheet with 6 different dimensional images, and these are printed on acetate. So you can see that little bit of dimension on the back side. Next up we have the chipboard embellishments. There's 2 different sheets, lots of great images and sentiments. All of it coordinates beautifully with the paper collection. The next item is one of my favorites, a full sheet of gold puffy stickers all in snowflakes. These will be perfect for embellishments on the cards. The next item is a red glitter alphabet, and these are printed on foam. So you have a full alphabet and also all of the numbers. Just trying to figure out where to place everything since there's so much in this kit. The next item is a sheet of puffy sentiments. So lots of great Christmas sentiments. I like how you can mix and match the different words. In addition to the gemstones, we also have a bag of sequins, all in a beautiful gold color. We have 2 sheets of the foam squares and a roll of adhesive tape. And then the final item in the kit is the set of dies. So let me go ahead and lay these out on one of the card bases. There's a total of 15 dies, And I really like how they combine several of the dies into one, so that way you don't have all those teeny tiny pieces. With the die set, you can create Santa, a sled, there's a little snowman, a present, there's even a little bell for Santa to hold, and also Santa's bag of goodies, including the little tie to go around it. And for this snowman, there's also a cute little stocking hat. So that's everything that's included in Spellbinders' Santa Lane Christmas Kit. Now here's a look at all those different die cut pieces. This first set is the images, but you can see there's also some sentiments in there. And there are 2 each of everything. And here's the sentiment die cut pack. Again, there are 2 of each. If you don't want to do any stamping, you don't need to. There are tons and tons of sentiments included in this kit. If you are interested in purchasing Spellbinders Santa Lane Christmas Kit, I do have links provided in the description box below. The kit is available for purchase individually. It is not part of their monthly subscription. Several of the items in the kit are also available individually, so if you really like the paper and you don't want the kit, you can purchase just the paper pad. I know the gem stickers and the cardstock are also available individually. And I will have links for all of that in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my cards using this fun Christmas kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.